welcome to this tutorial video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a feature that we have in WorkPAK that is extremely helpful with customizing it. It's our custom fields feature that we have. So when we go up to this home screen right here, in our system setup, we have our custom fields tile. And typically when we're under system setup, we see a lot more tiles in here. There's a lot more options to choose from, but I have it filtered out for the sake of this video. So when we go into custom fields, this is where we can add in those fields and then assign it throughout WorkPAK wherever we would like to see it. So if you are trying to get data into P6 and you need it to line up and match the codes that you have, this is a good place to add it in if it's something that WorkPAK doesn't already include. So when we add it in, it's going to ask us to name our custom field. For this one, I'm just going to say demo. We can give a description of it. And then on this drop-down, we choose the type of editor that we want the custom field to be. So there's a lot of different options. We could have a simple text box, we could have a calculator, date picker, checkbox, combo box. As we go down further, if we wanted it to be something where the planners would go in and actually select from something that we set up, we could choose the search lookup option, a tree list lookup. There's a lot of different options for the type of custom field that we can actually add in. For this video, we're just going to do the text box. And then we select our value type that we have, and we can go in and we could edit the max length if we wanted to. So now that we have our custom field set up, we go to assign up here. And so this is showing me all the different areas within WorkPAK where we are able to assign this custom field. So as you can see, as you look through this, if there's anything when you're in system setup, or whether you're in planning or you're in the activities, if you need to have a specific field for any type of documentation or whatever it may be, then this is where we can select that. So for this one, I'm going to assign it to activity. So once we assign it, we just go up to our home screen and we're going to go under planning. And so the event or turnaround that I have right now is just this documentation event. And then under this tile, manage event, is where we will actually go in and assign that custom field to that event. So we go to custom fields assignment, and it's going to be assigned to activities. So we just click on this. And on this drop down, you see a lot of other custom fields. I had those values filtered out in the previous screen just to clean it up a little bit. But we can see here that this is the one that we just created. So when I select this, there's two different options that we could check. If we wanted to make it required for planners to fill out as you're going in and adding in these activities, we could select that. If it's something that we want to show up in the job package when we print it, we could select that as well. So now I have this assigned to activities. I'm going to go back up here to this tile. Under my event, I'm going to the work scope. And then I'm going to pull up a job. Go down to planning. We see our activities, and this custom field that we just assigned is already in this field, or in this screen, for us to start adding to. And so we could click in this and type, because this one is a text box, but any type of editor that we would have selected would have showed up in this screen. And again, these custom fields can be assigned all throughout WorkPAK, not just in this activity screen. So it's a very useful tool to have, because if there's something that WorkPAK doesn't already have and you need it for your site, then you can simply add it in with custom fields. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more tutorials.